Today I am presenting a real life example of one of the famous entrepreneur, Alvinder Hindsa, the co-founder of the Blinkit. He uses the timing and technologies to build one of the India's most grocery delivery platform. As we know that Blinkit is a quick commerce platform where they provided the services and the services to the customers in the market. Alvinder Dinsa is true opportunist entrepreneur in India. And before that, I want to tell you about what is opportunist entrepreneur. So this is one of the type of the entrepreneurship. If I talk about opportunist entrepreneur, those persons who identifies the financial gaps or problems and to create the business and to create the business at the right time and to exist in the business if the business at its peak. These types of entrepreneurs focuses on the profit and wealth maximizations to create new ideas and to earn the residual incomes. So according to this slides, an opportunist entrepreneurs identifies the gaps and problems in the market and quickly takes the advantages of them. For example, like Blinkit. As you know, Blinkit is very a fruitful example on the basis of opportunist entrepreneur. And in Patna, Blinkit is also there in some urban places in Patna. Now, what are the focus on opportunist entrepreneur? The first is innovation, speed, and the market needs. The co-founders see the gap and see the customer needs and to run on the basis of their needs. Now, third is goal. What are its goals? The first is spot market gaps, innovate and pivot, maximize the short-term and long-term gains, and act the fast. Moving forward, this is all about the co-founder of Blinkit, Alvinder Dinsa. First of all, he was graduated from the IIT Delhi and he was completed MBA from Columbia University. Then in 2013, before that he was working in US, but he moved back to India and in during the 2013 period he was worked at Zomato. His friend Saurabh Kumar, his colleagues, and he were started noticed on the basic problems related to the grocery delivery in India. So during the time of COVID, he was started their plan and keep going on, and he was started the Grofers. Then after in 2021, Grofers transferred to as a Blinkit, and the Blinkit was acquired by the Zomato at the time of 2022. So this is all about of we saw the inefficiencies in the grocery shopping and recognizes the gap in the hyper-local delivery, sizes the opportunity during the COVID-19 lockdown. Moving forward, this is the logo of the Blinkit and shows the basic needs founded by the Alvinder Dinsa and acquired by the Zomato. And Blinkit depicts the instant grocery delivery within the 10 minutes. And how Blinkit as an opportunity venture. How? So these are the criteria to define this. Identifies demand for fast delivery. Blinkit is a quick commerce. It depicts the fast delivery within the 10 minutes. Second, use the updated technologies for the logistics.